Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your Facebook account has been temporarily locked and you're getting this notification that says your account has been temporarily locked, and if you're looking out how to fix it, in this video we are going to guide you through some solutions. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So the first thing is, if you're getting this kind of message, a temporary lock often expires on its own. So you can wait for 24 to 48 hours before attempting to log in again, and that should probably fix your issue automatically. Apart from that, you can stop logging in repeatedly during the lockout period because that can extend the time of your account if it is locked. Apart from that, you can try accessing the Facebook application from another device. So if you don't have the Facebook app, you can go to Play Store and from there go to the search and go ahead and look out for the Facebook. After that, you can just go over and install the Facebook application and head over to the login page where you can try logging in into the device and see if that resolves the issue. Also clear your cache and cookies if you're using browser or any of the application. So hold the Facebook app for that and go to the app info tab at the top. And from there, you may just go over and scroll down and look out for storage option and tap on it. And look out for the option of clear cache. And that should clear your browser's application's cache and cookies. You can even use the browser itself. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and verify your identity. If you are prompted, you can just go over and look out for the notification and follow the steps to verify your identity using a recovery code sent to your email or your phone. And if you followed all the steps and you're still locked out, you can use the Facebook Help Center to report the problem. So go to a browser, and within a browser, you can just go over and search for Facebook Help Center. And once you find Facebook Help Center, go to the Help Center and just go over and follow up the steps to report the problem and ask for a review. So you can just go over and look out for that option. And within there, just go over and ask for a review and provide in the thing. So you can just go over and do so. So that is it, everybody. You may just head over and follow up the steps to fix the issue where your Facebook account is temporarily locked in. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.